Okay, we've got some unusual finish around the pull-down attic access ladder located in the garage. And I'm not sure if this video is picking it up as much because it runs a little rapider, but I'm going to have a still image of this. See if I can't bring that out a little bit without making it worse than it is. Appear to be worse than it is. Our garage door does not have a self-closing spring on it. But this is the garage overhead door video is what we're here for. And you'll see that they're both about half open. Is because I had disengaged them and pulled them down to make sure that the balance springs were working like they should. The optic sensors should not be closer to the floor than 6 inches. That's a bad thing. The manual door locks have not been decommissioned to help prevent accidental damage. You close the door. Here's a perfect example. Close the door and lock it. And then, thanks to your app, close from anywhere. It also opens from anywhere. It also does that. That's how I got in here. Because my client called from out of town and opened the door to let me in. If this door had been locked from the inside, that would have caused all kinds of damage to the door. We have pull handles inside of the door. That's a good thing. We have spring tension notices on the corners of the first panels. That's a good thing. We have entrapment notices. Okay, safety notices posted inside of the doors. That is a good thing. That is a good thing. Then we come along over here. Our control buttons are higher than 5 feet from the ground, so little hands can't get up to them. That's a good thing. But this notice right here, or one like it, there's several different types or styles of notices, but something similar to this, okay, should be posted on these doors as well. Now I do not do block testing for the safety reverse. I made a business decision to do no harm. The orientation of these door buttons, is reversed. They didn't catch yet. It's pushing it. There you go. Okay, I did not do block tests. I did a business decision to do no harm. Okay, I'm going to do it like I did it a year ago. And for the same reasons that I explained a year ago. Okay, and so now, like a year ago, I'm going to do it the same way. Is that I'm going to take my big old zombie hoof and trudge across the tundra and break the beam like a dancing fool. And we'll just see how it works. So here we go. We push the buttons. Trudge across the tundra. Take my big old flat zombie hoof. Break the beams. So we know that the safety reverse works. We also know that the courtesy lights work. The builder can demonstrate how to do a block test for you. Or I also have instructions in case there should be instructions for these things. But I have instructions baked into your inspection report. Both of the reports now. And so I got instructions on how to do a block test should somebody want to pursue that endeavor.